Dito na kami guys sa Saskatoon. From Esteban to Saskatoon.
Turn left onto Matheson Drive.
Yeah. Medyo iba yung feeling dito kasi na big city. May mga bus ride naman siya. Kaso hindi pa ako marunong. Kaya pag-aralan muna namin yung maglakad. And then, pag may time, papag-aralan ko yung bus kung paano. Yan. Parang fall na kamo rito.
Yes, but
Ang daming ano,
every color.
mga kalapati pa rin.
The leaves need to turn every color.
Parang maaga magpo-fall ngayon. Ayan, may bus stop siya. Naka-Google Map lang kami. Dito maraming park. Na-miss ko yung Esteban. Ito, may, ang dami pala rito ano, bus stop po. And then here. Pero hindi natin alam kasi yung ruta.
This is where the tambakan
Tambakan what?
people.
No, sakayan. Sakayan at babaan. Hindi tambakan. Yan. Diretso lang tayo. Dito. Pupunta kami ng McDonald's. 20 minutes walk. Kasi ganun din pag magbabas kami, 19 minutes. Di mag-walk na lang. Umaga pa naman ngayon, hindi pa ganun katirik yung araw. Umaga pa naman ngayon, hindi pa ganun katirik yung araw. Kaya much better na maglakad na lang kami para maging familiarize din kami dito sa lugar. Yan. Napadaan kami rito sa, yan, medyo umaambon na. Napadaan kami rito. Sinusunod lang namin si Google. So ito yung dating apartment na mga pinuntahan namin nung naghahanap pa lang kami. Yan. Doon medyo ano na doon kalsada. Dito kami dinaan ni Google sa medyo tagong lugar eh. Yan. Malapit na tayo sa mga Oy, ito yung Confederation Mall.
You want to go there?
There's the mall.
And then there's a bus.
And then there's a park. If
Parking bus.
yeah,
No, I know.
here.
And then there's a bus. Are we going to the bus?
No. We have to cross.
Okay, when the
I don't know where is the pedestrian lane.
Turn right onto
Oh,
Laurier
this is
Drive.
the superstore. It's walkable.
it's all happening.
Yes. So how do we? Ito na yung mall. Oh, nandito na kami sa ano, pinaka-main. Kaso, hindi ko alam paano tumawid. Ito pala, meron palang tawiran. Okay. Hi Lily. Kanina galing kami nag-explore kami dito sa Confederation na lugar namin. Like pumunta kami ng McDonald's and then tinignan namin yung mga pwedeng mapagbilihan namin. So nakita namin doon sa area na yon. Merong superstore, Dollar Tree, Dollarama, Starbucks, Tim Hortons, madami. Kaya sabi ko wow, okay din yung lugar kasi malapit din siya sa mga establishments. Tapos yung dito yung apartment namin nasa gitna rin siya ng residential. Kaya hindi siya gaanong nakakatakot kasi may mga kabahayan din siya. Tapos maraming bata. Medyo iba-ibang mga lahi nga lang din. And then dito ngayon medyo umaambon pero wala, nangangati yung paa. So mag-check kami ng school. Titignan namin yung mga elementary school na malapit dito. Kaming dalawa lang ni Bunso. Hi Bunso. Kasi sila kuya at si daddy bumalik ng Esteban para kunin yung iba pa naming mga gamit. Yan.
Pupunta na dito.
Pero baka maya-maya pabalik na rin yun. Yan. So titignan natin dito yung St. Peter's School, Catholic school siya na elementary. Yan. Sabi 19 minutes walk. Pero think okay lang kasi dun sa Esteban talagang naglalakad-lakad lang kami eh. So tatawid tayo, Lee.
Turn left onto 33rd Street West.
Yan. Ito parang medyo malaking kalsada na to. Dito may church oh. Hindi nga lang siya Catholic. Dito tayo sa tabi. Tatawid tayo. Ito yung mga medyo kalapit naming neighborhood. O ba? May binibenta oh. Medyo dito nga lang makakakita ka rito ng mga kakaiba. Marami siyang pero lalo na sa ibang area. Dito medyo less dito eh. Yan. Meron nga sa gilid eh. Meron doon. Medyo nakakatakot. Ayoko na siyang i-video. Kawawa naman. Yung mga homeless din. Tapos tatawid tayo. Ito ang daming bus stop oh. Bus stop. Bango. Ito malaking kalsada na, Lily. Nakakatakot kasi kapag malalaking kalsada na. Tatawid tayo, guys. Doon. Yun, malaking kalsada na yun. Parang main street na yan. Ito, ang daming bulaklak ko.
No, that's not the.
Uy, ano kaya
that's
yan?
Orange.
Ano kaya yan? Dami.
Picture
Wait.
it.
Yan o. Ano kaya
Picture
yan?
it with the Google.
Yeah, I will check it sa Google. Okay.
What it is.
I-
Because if I try that part, let's go down.
Alright, let's go. Thank you. Matawid tayo. Ito na yung Donald Park.
There's the Donald Park.
Yeah,
There's a park.
there's a park. Yay! Kahit umuulan, si Lily. Naglalaboy. Mas marami tayong kagalaan dito. Ha? Lee?
Yes.
May nahanap namin yung school.
What's that?
Yung elementary school. Pero ito, bago ka makarating sa school, meron siyang park.
Wait, what's that? A lake?
River, I don't know.
I think it's a lake. It looks like
But-
a water.
Yeah, it looks like a water, but I don't know. It has full of algae.
What did you say?
Algae? Algae?
What is algae?
Algae? Lumot?
Lumot?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, isuot mo lang yung ano mo.
Okay.
Ito siguro yung ano nila pag meron sila laro, mga games. Like football. Ang daming park. Ayun, tas ayun doon. Meron pa oh.
Dalawa?
Ayun oh, mga palaruan.
Dalawa?
Tas eto pa.
May
Yeah.
dalawa?
Mm-mm.
Let's try that one first. That's
What? Okay. I think that's the school.
that's the school.
Yes.
I don't know if
And
there's
there's a
that bridge
garden
there.
there. I don't know if it's open or where is the entrance for that. There's a dog.
I'm
And it's
scared
a
of
big-
dogs.
It's a big dog.
I'm scared of dogs.
Yeah.
Barks. And the other dogs look
Turn right.
Turn right. Mag-right na tayo rito.
Right, that.
Yes. Okay. Maganda ba?
Yes.
Parang okay din dito sa... Ito kasi medyo gusto ko.
How did you know this thing
I Google it.
called?
I Google it.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's that?
I don't know. What's this? What's this? Let's go.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Yan na yung school. This is the school.
And then there's another
Wow.
park. And the school. There's two schools.
Mm-hmm.
Look, 1, 2.
I don't know. Ah, yeah. That's Donald School. Donald. I don't know. But this is the St. Peter School. Ito yung isa kong choice. St. Peter. At saka yung San Lorenzo Ruiz. Diba? Parang mga Filipino yung ano. Puntahan pa natin yun. Medyo malayo pa ng kaunti. Paglampas natin.
Slide left towards Sumner Crescent.
Yay! Feeling ko may naglalakad sa likod
Why
natin.
does that work?
There's an uwak. Yeah. Kumakong ganun. Lagi ka na lang nakahaltak eh. Hinihinga lang nga si mami. Bigat-bigat eh. So, meron din dito. Soccer field. Ganda ng school.
Hey, Brent said,
Yeah, may mga basketball court. What?
Brent said, I know, but do not say the soccer
What?
ball.
How do we say that?
Because my
If
boyfriend,
not soccer.
Turn right towards Sumner Crescent.
See, ganda niya. Diba?
this is soccer again.
Yes.
Yes, I want to try the park.
But it's wet. It's
I
raining.
don't care about the wet.
Oh, you go home with the wet damit.
Stop raining.
No. Yun.
Still a little rain.
Ito yung entrance niya. Kindergarten.
A kindergarten.
Yeah.
I thought this is an elementary school.
Yes, but meron din silang kinder.